Imagine a country where the sun is rising in one place while people are already going to sleep in another. A country where it is simultaneously morning, afternoon, and midnight. Sounds impossible? Well, it is real. The country with the most time zones in the world is France, boasting a surprising total of 12 different official time zones across the globe. But here is the twist that confuses most people. Mainland France, located in the heart of Europe, only uses one single time zone. So how does it actually reach 12? The answer lies in its diverse overseas territories, which are scattered strategically across the entire planet. These regions maintain their own distinct local times based on their specific geographic locations. For example, in the Caribbean, islands like Guadeloupe and Martinique follow a completely different time. Moving to South America, French Guiana operates on its own unique time zone as well. Then we travel to the Indian Ocean, where islands like Réunion and Mayotte run several hours ahead of Paris. This vast distance creates a massive gap in their daily schedules. Far across the Pacific Ocean, territories like French Polynesia and New Caledonia are even further apart. These locations push the count to the limit, spanning the vastness of the sea. You might think Russia would hold this record. After all, it stretches across a massive land area with 11 time zones, but France actually beats Russia by one extra zone. This means that at any exact moment, people in different parts of France are experiencing sunrise, midday, and midnight. The sun never truly sets on all French territories at once. So the next time someone asks which country spans the most time zones, remember the answer isn't the biggest country, but France. It truly is the country that never sleeps.